Hi, Christy here from Federal Brace, and today we're introducing our Eco-Lucent LED white hardwire dimmer switch. The Federal Brace Eco-Lucent LED white hardwire dimmer switch is compatible with our Eco-Lucent LED lighting hardwire installation kit, and when installed allows for dimming of Eco-Lucent LED white hardwire light bars to your desired intensity. This rocker paddle format dimmer switch is designed for use in low voltage applications only. Installation is easy, so decorate your space with form and function. Thanks for watching. For more product information and Made in the USA innovations from Federal Brace, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out federalbrace.com. Stay safe, and we will see you next time.